Hey guys, this is Joffrey Ward and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is a channel all about making money online or using side hustles to add to your monthly income per month. So if you're interested in that type of thing and type of entrepreneurship, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification. You will be notified when I drop a new video or start a premiere. Also, if you are somebody that has made money by watching my videos, I want to hear you guys' comments below. I really want to hear some more testimonials. I've been getting a lot of testimonials about people making $500 a month, or even people making big time money just by doing some of the stuff that I'm teaching on here. And I've been hearing a lot of those testimonials. I want to hear more of that. So make sure you comment them below. I want to hear how much you guys are making. It's just a blessing to see that my training is getting to so many people. So before I get into the crux of this video is not going to be over 5 minutes. This is going to be a really easy video to do. I'm teaching you guys exactly how to make $25 over and over again per day. But first, I want to teach you how you can, not teach you, but let you know how you can enter into my contest. So I'm giving away a couple of gift cards. Don't know which gift cards, whether or not they're going to be Amazon or PayPal. Haven't made that decision yet. We're going to be giving away gift cards, and the way you can enter into that gift card drawing is to, first of all, join this app right here, which is Fetch Rewards, and scan your first receipt. By going to this link right here, and this will be in the description below, and scanning your first receipt, you're going to get 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2 on Fetch Rewards. You only need, if I'm not mistaken, you only need 5,000 points to get like a $5 gift card or something like that. So I'm going to get you started by, when you first scan your first receipt, you're going to get 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. You just scan a receipt that you got from Walmart, Kroger, and I'll just show you some of the ones that I've scanned so far. I've scanned about 7 receipts, and I got 2,000 points for those receipts. I think most of them came from Walmart. Yeah, let me go. Okay, you can see most of it came from Walmart, Kroger, or any other Dollar General or dollar store. Scan your receipt, and it's basically a way that you can, first of all, track the amount of money that you're spending with the app, and also they give you points. And if you go and if you purchase some of these things that are on this list, now if you've already purchased these things on the list, I suggest you like Ketchup. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have purchased Ketchup. Whatever, as long if it was this bottle or something like that, you want to add it to your you want to click this plus button. It's going to add it to your receipt log. Or if you purchase some of these household items, you want to click that as well, and you're going to earn a lot of points just by scanning your receipt. So that's how you enter into the contest. Now I got 2 minutes left, and I'm going to actually show you exactly what you need to do in order to make $25 a day. So let me go to my Vimo. And ooh, sorry, my phone just literally just stopped working. Okay, cancel. Okay, so I'm in my Vimo, and you can see some stuff in here, but let's look at this $40 payment that I just got from Dash. Now, of course, these are some of the purchases that I've been purchasing, but if I go down here, you can see consistently 30, 30, 25, 35, 25, 25, 25, 25, consistently around $25 a day with this one app. Now I have other money making ways online that I've earned money, that I earn money with, as far as t-shirts, print on demand, affiliate commissions on other stuff that I've done way a long time ago. But consistently you can make around $25 to $100 a day with Dash. It ups and flows based on the day. And I basically separate my payments. So with Dash, it's a cashback app that allows you to earn money when you link a verified credit or debit card. You go out and you purchase the things like you would normally purchase them, but only this time you're going to have a card linked to Dash, and you receive money to your wallet. But like I was saying, I split up my money as far as what I put my the ways that I put my money in. So 1 second, let me pause the video. Let me pull this information up. Sorry about that. I was trying to find some more information on this not on the particular app, but on the offer that they had on here that I thought was still available, but it's not. But anyway, even though that offer isn't available, these places that you shop at on a continuously basis or a daily basis, if you use your card there, and if you get credit, and you have it linked to Dash, you're going to earn cash back. So this different cash back, it has 5%, 2%, 5%, 3%, depending on what area you're in. If you're in a bigger area, I'm in kind of like a small town, you're obviously going to have more cash back opportunities than I'm having right now. I think the only one that I use consistently is probably Pizza Hut. But as far as when I was talking about splitting my money, Dash has multiple ways you can get your money out of your wallet. So you can either use Venmo, bank account, or PayPal. So I split my money, my daily earnings up, and I might send 25 to Venmo, 25 to my bank account, another 25 to my Venmo, another 25 to my bank account. So I split those payments up. So if I make $100 a day, I will split that up, and I have my money going to different places to reinvest into my business and reinvest into do other things that I'm trying to do online. So I split my money up. I mean, you can actually do that. So they have multiple ways you can cash out, and I really, really like that. They're pretty quick about receiving your money by getting you your money, and you receiving it. It takes about 1 business days for Venmo, about a day for a bank account. I really haven't used bank account as well, but as much as I should. But bank account is really, really fast because it's direct deposit, and then they have PayPal, which takes about 3 business days. That's the longest. So I pretty much split up my payout. So it's depending on what you guys want to do with Dash. So how I refer people, and you can refer people and get paid $5 every time somebody downloads the app and uses your referral code and links a verified credit or debit card. So that's how I earn the bulk of my money. And how I do that is by referring people to this app. How do I refer people to this app? I use a social media site called Pinterest. Pinterest is a way that you can get into an audience that is, that are ready to learn about stuff or ready to purchase stuff. Pinterest has the highest number of purchase referral traffic to e-commerce sites or sites like Walmart and all that than any other platform online. Basically, people go to Pinterest to add stuff to their boards in order to buy. Also, people go here to look for ways to make money. How can I prove that to you? I'm in the keyword searcher for the ad portion of the Pinterest app. Excuse me, I can't even talk today, but it basically shows you how many people are, searching for a certain keyword, and you can rank on Pinterest relatively easy by using Pinterest SEO. Not gonna get into that all today, but I'm just showing you where I'm getting the most of my referrals and where the most of the people are coming from, and it's from Pinterest. So you can see right here for the keyword need money now, people who are looking for money, people who are looking for online surveys surveys for money. You can see extra money. People want to make money online, spend less money. So with Dash, you can actually get in front of them, and I've actually done that. I'm actually show you a pin of mine that I actually just did about that. If people are looking for ways to spend less money, you can promote the Dash app to them. And the way you do that is you want to use the hashtag, and you also want to use the keywords that people are searching for. So if you say spend less money, you can just use that in your pin once you post it on here. I created this pin inside of Canva. It took me 5 minutes. I posted this, and I posted a link to my Dash app, and I just showed them the amount of cash back that I earned in 2018. This is old. I actually showed them a Pizza Hut where I got where I earned cash back and actually got that into my wallet. And I just put it on here, and I just said this app helped me save money on food. So I was looking to go after the word save money, but I could have used spend less money in there to add into that. But I said also earn cash back on multiple stores online and in store. Check out this money making app today. Check out this money making app and save money today. So basically, I use the keyword save money, saving money, frugal, finance, money apps, cash back, all that good stuff. So basically, I was targeting people who want to save money and spend less money, which is the keyword we just saw that has over 5 million searches on Pinterest. So I just want a portion of those 5 million, and this is per month, by the way. Let me just monthly searches. This is not over a year or something. These are monthly searches. People are going to Pinterest to learn about stuff and learn how to spend less money, how to make money. So that's how I target them. So I created this. I said how to get cash back on everyday purchases using this one app. They click this app, it goes directly to Dosh, shows them about Dosh, and once they connect the card, I earn $5 for referring them. So this, matter of fact, these statistics are wrong because I've been ranking for a while on this one. So these stats will update in probably the next week, and it'll be probably more than 798 impressions because I've gotten a lot of traffic from this pin. So basically, just created the pin. They go over here, they read more information about Dosh and how they can earn money and save money. They link a card, boom, $5 paid directly to me and directly to them. So when you join Dosh through me, you get $5, I get $5 for referring you. So we both winning on that situation. If I can teach you how to make money with this app and how to refer people, that's going to help you earn a little bit more money, and you are going to go through me because I'm helping you make money. So it's a win-win situation. So as far as this is how I promote Dosh. This is how I earn that consistent amount of income per day by doing this. Shows you proof, shows you my actual Venmo account. Venmo is just like PayPal. You send money, transfer money, all that. I just use Venmo with Dosh a little bit because it transfers faster, but I do use PayPal as well, and I've also showed you guys countless amount of PayPal proof. I'm actually making money online, and I don't show that to brag. I actually show you that so you can do the same thing. This is all here for you if you learn how to, promote and how to honestly make money with these apps. Because I'll tell you this, once I mastered making money with apps, it's easy for me to refer people because I've already made money with that, but I'm just showing them exactly what I'm doing, and they'll trust me a little bit more because I've made money with the app and they'll go through me. See, when you start showing proof that you've actually, accomplished some of the stuff that you are trying to get people to join or promote, it's going to be easier because they trust you. They know that you've made money with the app, and that tells them that they can do the same thing. Because I won't say I'm average, but I'm just your everyday person, everyday average Joe or whatever. I'm not doing anything special that you cannot duplicate. So that's why I teach, and that's why I go so hard with this type of stuff, because you guys matter to me. You guys, I want to see you guys win. I want to see you guys successful. That's why I like hearing you guys testimonials. So I just gave you proof that this works, and I just gave you my exact method. Now, a lot of you guys will go out there and do it. A lot of you guys won't. A lot of you guys just hit on this information. You'll probably just download the app. You probably link a verified card, do nothing else. And if you don't do nothing else, you're not going to make any money. I can't promise you that you're going to make money. This is just the money that I'm making. But the people that I've been hearing, the testimonies that I've been getting back, are people who are actually taking this information and then running with it and making money with it. So I can give you the tools. I can give you all the information. If you don't go out there and hustle, and Pinterest is not the only place you can promote. I showed you Instagram, Facebook groups, all that good stuff. If you don't go out there and hustle and make it happen, you're not going to make any money, period. And that's in anything that you do. Okay. So that's all I got for you guys. That's how you make $25 over and over. This video is 13 minutes, and I said at the beginning of the video it's going to be 5 minutes. But you guys know how I get on the roll and teaching you guys this stuff, because I really want you guys to learn this. When you teach people things repetitive, it gets into their brain. This is just like you right now. If I ask you to say your ABCs, you've been saying your ABCs so long, you would basically just repeat it back to me. So that's my teaching style. I constantly do repeat some of the stuff to you guys, because I understand that if I say it a couple of times, maybe one day you would actually go out there and do it and actually prove me right by the stuff that I'm teaching you. So that's basically what this is. I want you guys to prove me right. I want you guys to make as much money as you can. I want you to make more, because it's going to actually help my influence. It's going to help me grow as a internet marketer, as an entrepreneur, as a businessman. And that's very, very important to me. So go out there, achieve the success with this stuff. You can use any other app that you want to, as long as that app has a strong referral program and has a bigger payout. So you don't want to be promoting stuff that's going to pay you little money. You want to be promoting the big stuff. All I got for you guys. Peace out. Talk to you guys on the next video.